What if you could count your calories just by snapping a photo of your meal? Welcome to the future of food tracking powered by AI. You can now put your calorie log away. In this video, we will discover 4 different AI apps that do all the calorie counting for you. For years, tracking calories meant scrolling through endless food databases, measuring portions, and doing mental math. It was tedious, time-consuming, and often inaccurate. But now, AI is changing everything. App number 1, Snap Calorie app co-founded by developers behind Google Lens and the CloudVision API. This app uses cutting-edge AI to analyze your meal and estimate not just calories but also macronutrients, all from just one photo. Whether it's a salad, a steak, or sushi, Snap Calorie identifies the ingredients and serves up a full nutritional profile in seconds. Here's a breakdown of how it works. 1. Photo-based meal logging users simply take a picture of their meal using the Snap Calorie app. The app's advanced AI analyzes the photo to identify foods and estimate portion sizes, eliminating the need for manual entry or searching food databases. On supported devices, Snap Calorie uses depth sensors, like LiDAR on iPhone Pro models, to further improve portion size accuracy. 2. Instant nutritional analysis. Once the photo is processed, Snap Calorie instantly provides a detailed nutritional breakdown, including calories, macronutrients, protein, fat, and carbohydrates, and over 100 micronutrients. The app uses a verified USDA database to ensure the nutritional information is reliable. 3. AI-powered personalization. Snap Calorie's AI nutritionist tailors insights and recommendations based on your dietary preferences, goals, such as weight loss or muscle gain, and personal factors like age, gender, activity level, and health conditions. The app tracks your progress in real time, helping you monitor daily and weekly goals, macros, and calorie intake. 4. Alternative logging options. Besides photo logging, users can record voice notes to log meals. The AI can interpret spoken details, including portion sizes and ingredients, for precise tracking, especially useful if you're using a kitchen scale. 5. Human review for accuracy. For added accuracy, Snap Calorie employs a team of human reviewers to verify and refine AI-generated results, reducing caloric error to under 20%, a significant improvement over other photo-based calorie counting apps. 6. Free to use. All features, including AI-powered photo analysis and nutrition tracking, are available free of charge, with no hidden fees or subscriptions. App number 2, Calorie Mama app. Another smart player in this AI-driven space is Calorie Mama. Calorie Mama is an AI-powered diet and calorie tracking app designed to make food logging fast, easy, and accurate. Here's how it works. Photo-based food logging users take a picture of their food using the app's camera feature. Calorie Mama uses advanced image recognition powered by deep AI, neural networks, and computer vision to analyze the photo and suggest what the food might be, even for complex dishes and international cuisines. The app recognizes thousands of food categories, including fruits, vegetables, meats, grains, beverages, packaged foods, via barcode or front-facing image, and dishes from American, European, Asian, Latin American, and fusion cuisines. Confirmation and logging. After analysis, the app suggests possible food matches. Users confirm or select the correct option to log the meal. The more you use the app, the smarter and more accurate its AI becomes, continually improving its food recognition capabilities. Nutritional breakdown. Once a meal is logged, Calorie Mama provides detailed nutritional information, including calories, macronutrients, carbs, fat, protein, and essential micronutrients. All logged meals and their nutritional data are displayed on the home screen, allowing users to track their daily intake and progress toward their dietary goals. Additional logging methods. In addition to photo recognition, Calorie Mama supports voice input for hands-free logging. Users can describe their meal verbally, and the app will analyze and log it, and barcode scanning is available for quick entry of packaged foods. The app offers personalized meal plans and recipes tailored to various dietary preferences and goals, including keto, paleo, vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free, and more. Over 200 nutritionist-approved recipes are available to help users diversify their meals. Exercise and activity tracking. Users can log exercise routines and calories burned, including activities like cycling, running, and weightlifting. GPS tracking is available for cardio sessions, integrating exercise data with dietary tracking for a comprehensive health overview. The app can integrate with other health apps for a seamless wellness experience. Users can share food photos, workouts, and achievements within the app's social component, enabling community support and feedback. While the core features are available for free, a premium version offers additional benefits such as specialized workout programs. Calorie Mama stands out for its ease of use, powerful AI-driven food recognition, and comprehensive tracking features, making it a valuable tool for anyone seeking to manage their diet and health more effectively. App number 3. MyFitnessPal is already a household name. MyFitnessPal is a comprehensive health and fitness app designed to help users track nutrition, calories, exercise, and progress toward their wellness goals. Here's how it works. Users register with basic information: email, age, height, and weight. The app guides you through setting goals such as weight loss, muscle gain, or maintenance, and helps set healthy, achievable weekly targets. Personalization ensures your calorie and macronutrient targets reflect your objectives and lifestyle. MyFitnessPal offers a massive food database and multiple ways to log meals. Search the database for foods. MyFitnessPal allows you to scan barcodes on packaged foods. You can save and reuse custom recipes and meals, and know the calorie count even before preparing the meal. The app displays calories and macronutrients, carbs, protein, and fat, and can track micronutrients like sodium, fiber, and cholesterol. Premium users can set macronutrient goals by gram or percentage, see meal-level macro breakdowns, and get deeper food analysis. Exercise and activity tracking log workouts manually or sync with fitness trackers and wearables. Exercise calories are added to your daily allowance, and you can track steps, cardio, and strength training. Progress monitoring. The dashboard shows daily and weekly progress for calories, macros, weight, and activity. Users can view charts, export data, and revisit nutrition and fitness history. Meal plans, recipes, and community access curated meal and exercise plans tailored to different goals and diets. Discover healthy recipes and participate in community forums for support and motivation. Premium unlocks features like ad-free experience, custom goals by day, food analysis to identify the best and worst foods, exporting nutrition and exercise history, and priority customer support. The free version includes core tracking features, but some advanced tools require a paid subscription. MyFitnessPal is widely used for its robust database, flexibility, and integration with other health tools. It's suitable for anyone looking to manage weight, improve nutrition, or track fitness, especially those who want detailed tracking and goal customization. App number 4. CalAI. App CalAI is an AI-powered calorie and nutrition tracking app designed to simplify food logging and help users reach their health goals with minimal effort. Here's a detailed look at how it works. 1. Personalized setup. Users start by answering lifestyle questions to build a personalized nutrition and fitness plan tailored to their goals, such as weight loss or muscle gain. 2. Photo-based meal logging. The core feature is the ability to snap a photo of your meal. CalAI uses advanced AI and your phone's depth sensor to analyze the image, identify ingredients, estimate portion sizes, and calculate calories and nutrients. Delivering results in under 15 seconds, the app can separate a meal into different components and their proportions for a more accurate nutritional breakdown. Food scanning analysis results require a subscription for access to advanced features. 3. Barcode and label scanning for packaged foods. Users can scan barcodes or food labels to quickly log items without manual entry. 4. Manual and voice entry. If a food item isn't recognized or for dishes with hidden ingredients, users can describe their meal manually using the Describe feature. This ensures flexibility for home-cooked or complex dishes. Users can also correct inaccuracies with a Fix Results button, helping the AI improve over time. CalAI offers personalized insights and smart reminders to help users stay on track with their dietary and fitness goals. Premium features include personalized weight loss plans, meal plans, and exercise planning. 5. User experience and security. CalAI features an intuitive, user-friendly design for both beginners and tech-savvy users. The app enforces robust privacy policies and data encryption to protect user information. 6. Subscription model. While the basic app is free to download and use, advanced features like food scanning analysis and deeper insights require a premium subscription. AI-powered photo analysis, barcode scanning, and personalized plans make nutrition management faster and more accessible for users at any level. Calorie counting removes the guesswork. It's ideal for busy professionals, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone trying to build healthier habits. So the next time you're about to eat, just snap a photo and let AI do the math. If you gained insight from this video from Health Equals Wellness, like, subscribe, and comment below. Which AI food tracking app would you try?